Hello from IP SOC 18 in Santa Clara. I have the pleasure to be with a representative of a company called Inside Secure. I was a little bit disappointed because I thought it was a truly French company, so the truth is not exactly like that. I am with Ron Keidar, who is the security architect, the guy who puts security within something. I think he has some interesting news to give us around RISC-V, which is one of the hot topics of this event. So I let him say what's new.
So yeah, we would like to introduce two things today. One thing is the addition of RISC-V into our root of trust engine. So that will extend the root of trust, enable a customer to add their own code into the secure perimeter, and their own secret source would be protected. The other announcement that I'm going to present today is the addition of Cypher Media to our company. So this is a very mature company, veteran in key provisioning and cell camouflage, and those technologies will be bundled with our existing IP cores and will create a very attractive and differential solutions for us.
So we wish to Inside Secure to grow and more international, and security, it's I would say easy to have more business. There's so much need over the world. Okay, good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.